ends, you want to take your wire, this is the way I do it anyway, and I twist them together this way, okay? So you got it bonded together real good.
Right.
This is called a soldering jig. You can get these things anywhere. Amazon, I think, even has them. And then I use a torch for when I'm doing wire joining like this. You want to try and find, nowadays it's hard to find, but you want to find a rosin core solder with a high content of lead, okay? Because it melts easy.
Right.
All you do is you heat your wire up, and it'll start melting the solder here in a second. It'll start to flow. And just let it kind of flow into the wire. And that's it. This will never come apart unless you want it to. And then I always use heat shrink and seal it. They do sell heat shrink with glue inside of it, which I highly recommend if you're doing anything in your engine compartment, because then it really seals it up and it's waterproof.
Okay.
So, and there you go. It's pretty simple.
All right.
And people come at you and be like, "Oh, crimping's better." No, it's not. Crimp connectors, unless you're using the ones that heat shrink, they'll leak, and then
Oh shit.
they'll, the connections will corrode. Come on, you're looking all over for the heat shrink. This is the heat shrink with the glue in it. So take your heat shrink tube, slide it over the wire. Now it's probably better to use a heat gun, but I'll use my torch this time. And it's also probably better if I use a little bit bigger piece. I go through a lot of this stuff. I found that you can buy 100-foot rolls of it on Amazon now. I think that's what I'm going to start doing. And you can use a lighter or torch. Heat gun's about the best, but just for example purposes. You see it just shrinks over your connection. Make sure it's sealed up all the way around. And you've got a nice sealed up connection. That's it.
Cool.